Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Sweatcoin account. So this is a Sweatcoin removal guide. So first we're going to go to the Sweatcoin app, then we're going to click on social, then on our profile icon, then we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then once we scroll down, there's an option that says delete your account. So once you click it, there are a list of regulations on how to delete your account. So you're going to click on contact us below. So they're going to make you choose a problem why you wanted to delete your account. So once you're there, going to delete it, then they're going to send you an email. So once you confirm with that email, your account will be deleted. So this is the step-by-step tutorial. So you have a list of things to do here. So once you guys do the steps correctly, you will delete your account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.